Welcome to LifeFlix, the quick and easy way to import video. This tutorial will show you how to share footage imported with LifeFlix. LifeFlix is capable of sharing your video via the following Mac applications: Airdrop, Mail, Messages, Notes, or Photos. Import footage into LifeFlix to begin sharing. Once you have successfully imported footage into LifeFlix, it is referred to as a tape and will appear under the Tapes section. Tapes will also contain scenes. You may end up with multiple scenes within a tape if a scene has been split. Select a scene you want to share. While the scene is selected, navigate to the toolbar or right-click and select the Share Scene icon. This will prompt a menu with a Share Using drop-down menu. Select a method you want to use to share your scene. Selecting Airdrop to share your footage will prompt a window that will detect any Apple devices with Airdrop active. Choose the device you want to airdrop your footage to. The selected device will update to a sent status once your footage has been successfully sent. Click the Done button once you're finished. Selecting Mail will launch your Mail app and prepare an email with your footage attached. Selecting Messages will prompt a window used to prepare a list of recipients to share your footage to. You may also write out a message to accompany your footage. Selecting Notes will prompt a window used to write a note along with your footage. Select the Choose Note drop-down to create a new note or add to an existing note. Select the Save button to save your note to Notes. Selecting Photos will automatically save your footage to your photos. Launch your Photos application to view your footage. From Photos, you can continue sharing using the Shared Albums feature. You have now successfully shared your video using LifeFlix.